This is a water network with field measurements, and it's running entirely in the browser. Nothing to install. One click, and the hydraulic model computes pressures, flows, and tank levels across the entire network in a couple of seconds with an EPANET-compatible engine. And if you have field measurements, bring them in. Every sensor appears on your network, and its signal is compared against what the model computes, measured and modeled on the same chart. Calibration, field signals, and new analysis tools shipping every month. FlowAnalyzer, your network, live in the browser. Free at app.flowanalyzer.io.